Your team may forget. Our AI won't follow up keeps everyone on track.
This tutorial explains how to create a subtask within the TrueAIWork application. You will learn the sequential steps to add and define a subtask under an existing task. Click the All Tasks section to view the list of all current tasks available in TrueAIWork. Click the task labeled your task to open its details and manage subtasks. Click the designated area to access additional options related to the selected task. Click the Add Subtask button to initiate creating a new subtask under the selected task. Click the Subtask Title field to prepare for entering the subtask's descriptive title. Enter your subtask description to specify the work scheduled for next week. Click the Add button to save the new subtask and include it within the parent task workflow. You have successfully created a subtask within an existing task in TrueAIWork. This process helps organize work by breaking down tasks into manageable components for better tracking and completion.